Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change site colors in 3dcart. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in 3dcart, and here you want to click on settings and design and theme and styles. When you're gonna have it, you're gonna see it here, customize theme. Click on it, and then your theme will open. In here you can simply change all the site colors. I have like the header color here, text and buttons that you can edit. Typography, the size of the font, product and footer colors. So this is where you can easily find it and easily change everything. You can also change like these theme presets that you have. And yeah, thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, goodbye.